Once, I believe it was His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj asked one of his godbrothers, "Can you define what is Krishna consciousness in one word?" And the answer given by this devotee was absorption. One word definition of Krishna consciousness. Simply getting absorbed in Krishna. So here we see how Shukdev Goswami is totally absorbed in Brahman. So therefore, he was totally transcendental, oblivious. Although these ladies were there, they were bathing in the lake, but that did not make any difference to him and just walked. And even these ladies also could recognize the innocence in the heart of Shukdev Goswami. So therefore they were also very much easy. They did not take things very seriously. Whereas when his father passed, they became embarrassed and they covered themselves. So we also see that how Lord Chaitanya, when he was playing as a baby boy, Nimai, he was also going around without being clothed properly. And once when he went to Advaita Acharya's place, they were totally absorbed in hearing and speaking about Krishna. When baby Nimai walks in, they all become stunned to look at this baby boy Nimai, and they stopped. Everything stopped there. I mean, Advaita Acharya himself was narrating the pastimes. He went into ecstasy, trance, looking at this baby boy. I mean, when the Lord was in this condition, and they could later on realize that he is none other than Lord Krishna himself, whom we are discussing here about. So, such are the glories of being absorbed in Krishna. And once a disciple of Srila Prabhupada went to Srila Prabhupada and asked a question. He said that, "Why do you look so sad, Srila Prabhupada, in your photographs?" And even devotees also, they want to have a photograph of Srila Prabhupada who is actually smiling. They don't like the photographs of Prabhupada being in a very grave mood. And actually Srila Prabhupada gave the answer also. He said that you don't understand the science of ecstasy. So it is one thing to understand what ecstasy is all about. Therefore, people mistake ecstasy to sadness. And we see that also such incidents taking place in Srimad Bhagavatam. When Daksha Prajapati, in that yajna, he had invited everyone. Shiva also went there. He was sitting down and he was in trance. He was meditating on Lord, Supreme Lord himself. But Daksha Prajapati could not understand him. He mistook him and later on he offended him. He blasphemed him. And also we see that how Parikshit Maharaj, although he was fully under the protection of the Lord, he was in actually Yoga Maya, potency was covered over him, and therefore he also kind of mistook the sage that he is not responding to me. So therefore he became kind of little angry and he placed that dead snake around his neck. And later on we also see that how Shringi also, he also mistook Parikshit Maharaj, that how could he insult my father like this. So therefore it is better to meditate, better to take some time to understand what one is doing before commenting or before judging anybody. So, so such absorption, it's a great science. To understand this great science, it may take some time for us to understand this.